Landscapers recommend including a deck drain when installing a pool. This will keep guests safe from slips and falls while protecting your patio from erosion. Modern stainless steel drains are made to be discreet and durable, blending seamlessly with your aesthetics. In this video, we'll look at the installation of a half-inch slot drain system and how it integrates with patio pavers for a seamless finish. With your catch basin installed, apply a continuous bead of silicone and connect the deepest section of the drain using the supplied bolts. Install your leveling rods. Here, rebar is being used. Use a laser level to find zero and tighten your first section of drain into place using the provided bolts. Move the next section into place. Sections should be installed sequentially from deepest to most shallow. Apply a continuous bead of silicone and attach the section flanges using the provided bolts. Next, level the sections to your initial point on the catch basin and tighten your leveling bolts. Since this is a pre-sloped drain, it needs to be installed completely level to function properly. With your sections leveled, install additional rods into all the retaining arms on the slot drain. Repeat this process for each subsequent section of drain. Continue to ensure that each section is perfectly level with the initial point on the catch basin. To finish, apply a continuous bead of silicone and install the supplied end cap. Congratulations! You have successfully installed a pool deck drain. With our pavers installed, let's look at how the reversible pan lid integrates seamlessly with our design. The pan lid can easily be removed to access the catch basin and strainer basket. This allows for the system to be cleaned and prevents clogging. To utilize the reversible pan lid, flip it over and cut your paving stones to fit into the provided openings. Next, we install the catch basin lid and enjoy a discreet and integrated finish. Thank you for watching. Visit landscapedrains.com to learn more.